Hi Year 11s, as promised, factorization with 1 in brackets. Question 1. Factorize 12x plus 7x plus x. First, look for the common factor. Every term has x, so take x outside the bracket. Now, divide each term by x. 12x divided by x is 12, 7x divided by x is 7, and x divided by x is 1. So the answer is x brackets 12 plus 7 plus 1. Don't forget, the task was factorized, so we're not simplifying in front of brackets. A very common mistake is to write 0 here, but that is wrong because x is the same as 1x, not 0x. Question 2. Factorize 5y plus 20y plus y. All three terms contain y, so take y outside the brackets. Now, divide each term by y. 5y divided by y is 5, 20y divided by y is 20, and y divided by y is 1. So the answer is y times brackets 5 plus 20 plus 1. You are not simplifying in front of brackets because the task was factorize. Do not put 0 in the bracket. If you multiply back, y times 0 gives you 0, but the original term is y, so you need 1. Question 3. Factorize 9a squared plus 3a plus a. Each term contains a, so factor out is a. Now divide carefully. 9a squared divided by a is 9a. 3a divided by a is 3. And a divided by a is 1. So the factorized form is a brackets 9a plus 3 plus 1. The last term is where students often lose the mark. They see just a and write 0. But a equals 1a, so the number in the bracket must be 1. Question 4. Factorize 14x squared plus 7x plus x. Look for the highest common factor. Each term has x, so take x outside. Now divide each term by x. 14x squared divided by x is 14x. 7x divided by x is 7. X divided by x is 1. So the answer is x brackets 14x plus 7 plus 1. Again, the common mistake is writing 0 instead of 1. Check by multiplying back. X times 1 is x, but x times 0 is 0. So 1 is correct. Don't simplify in front of brackets because the task was factorize. Question 5. Factorize 18m squared plus 6m plus m. All the terms contain m, so take m outside the bracket. Now divide term by term. 18m squared divided by m is 18m. 6m divided by m is 6, and m divided by m is 1. So the answer is m brackets 18m plus 6 plus 1. This is a very common GCSE mistake. Students forget that a single variable has a hidden coefficient of 1. So m means 1m. Here's the main mistake. Students write 0 in the bracket when they should write 1. But a single variable is not 0 times the variable. It is 1 times the variable. So x equals 1x, not 0x. A means 1a, not 0a. And m equals 1m, not 0m. So when you factorize, always check the lonely variable term. If the original term is just x, the brackets must contain 1. And the best way to check it simple, multiply the bracket back out. If you do not get the original expression, the factorization is wrong. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to like and subscribe. If there are topics you are struggling with, please write in comments and wait for new videos.